Artistic materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only. And it's a great grand tradition of India to render a warm welcome to the guests first. May I call upon Mrs. Rajeshwari ma'am of Anupama English School to render the welcome speech.
To one and all present here, I wish you all happy 75th Independence Day. Sacrifices who gave us freedom, now it's our turn to have reformation. It is this day marks the historical day on which 75 years ago we got independence. We celebrate this day to pay tribute and remember the struggle undertaken by our leaders. On this auspicious day, it is an absolute honor for me to stand here and welcome with respect Honorable Sri Yogesh Achar Sir, Secretary of Universal Education Society and Joint Secretary of Gayatri Education Society. We welcome you, sir, for this prestigious program. I am delighted to offer a hearty welcome to Srimati Mahalakshmi ma'am, Principal of New Cambridge International Public School. Welcome you, ma'am. I am also delighted to offer a warm welcome to Srimati S. Hemlata ma'am, Vice Principal of New Cambridge International Public School. Welcome you, ma'am. Welcome Srimati B. S. Jayashree ma'am, Advisor of New Cambridge International Public School. Welcome you, ma'am. Please join with me in welcoming our humble, inspirational Srimati Veena ma'am, Headmistress of Anupama English School. I would like to extend a warm welcome to teaching and non-teaching staff. Once again, I cordially welcome you all. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Be the cause for the unity. May it be another beautiful day. So may I invite Mrs. Akshata to render the significance of the day in English.
Good morning and a very happy 75th Independence Day. Happy Amrit Mahotsav to one and all present here. Nelson Mandela had once told, our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate, our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. What a glorious way to celebrate this 75th Independence Day. Blessed are we who stand here to witness this distinguished day, which wouldn't have been possible without the sacrifice of some unsung heroes like Aruna Asif Ali, Bikaji Kama, Lakshmi Sehgal, Matangi Hazra. All of these fearless, lion-hearted women who had carved a picture of independent India years before we received independence. A salute to all of them. We have had many eventful years in the past, stood strong through various difficult situations and have come out with flying colors. What a way to celebrate this wonderful day. The bare fact that the world's second most populous country had only 2% of its entire population affected by corona, and the rest 98% stepped in, came ahead to support working fearlessly to fight this situation is an example of our unity. these crunching times haven't stopped her from delivering her best. We went ahead with our achievements. We developed our first hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, successfully launched 9 customer satellites, celebrated the most glorious launch of the revolutionary national education policy, and last but not the least, what a way to end it with all by the milestone achievement at the Olympics. We have come a long way, stood strong and evolved, and have much more in us that needs to be explored, that will make us shine beyond the stars. We have to become the ambassadors of change, the flag bearers of the new India, where we accept the new, support the change, and appreciate the development. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. Is a very significant personality with simplicity. We all know simplicity is the keynote of all true elegance. And so is our respected Yogesh ji. He always renders his support, guides and leads us. I'm profusely elated to take an opportunity to invite Sir to render his valuable speech.
Teachers,
Good morning.
first of all, I wish all of you a very happy 75th Independence Day. We were supposed to do it on a grand scale because this is the platinum jubilee of our Independence Day. But because of this COVID situation, we are here with only the management and the teachers. Still, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. On this occasion, I would like to let all of you know that let's remember the lakhs of Indians who lost their lives, who sacrificed their lives because of us, in the sense to fight for our freedom struggle. Let us also remember the unsung heroes, as Madam told, heroes and heroines who have sacrificed their lives so that we live with freedom today. And also, let us also not forget the continuous struggle where our soldiers and armed forces are going on even now, so that we live in peace. And it is the freedom was hard fought, and so it is our duty as the citizen of our country that we maintain it. One thing, currently because of this COVID situation, as the teacher told earlier, less than 2% have been affected because of this deadly epidemic. Still, we still have a lot of work to do. Let us not let our guard down. And I suggest who haven't taken the vaccination, please get vaccinated and inspire others also to get vaccinated. As teachers, it is our duty to see that the country runs economically. Also, I would like, on this occasion, I would like to, as I'm addressing teachers, I would like to congratulate all of you for taking up new methods in teaching and keeping the education and the teaching moving for the children. I thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Yes, indeed, we will take up the continuation of giving the quality. We will never stop, sir. Of which the original trunk is rendering love and support, and make your life worth of being a human, that is, humanity. The branches are customs and traditions, versatility, culture, but yet unity in diversity. So let's have another group song by the team from New Cambridge International Public School.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन, वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसकी मिट्टी से बने तेरे मेरे ये बदन, इसकी धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते गगन। इसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन, जीने का चलन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। अपने इस चमन को स्वर्ग हम बनाएंगे, कोना कोना अपने देश का सजाएंगे। जश्न होगा जिंदगी का, होंगे सब मगन, होंगे सब मगन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। है वतन है वतन है वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन।
Srimati Mahalakshmi Jandiala, who is very sportive, very supportive and inspiring person.
Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Yogesh, Secretary, Universal Education Society, Advisor, Mrs. Jayashri, Headmistress, Anupama English High School, Mrs. Veena, dear colleagues and my dear students, a very good morning. It gives me immense pleasure to stand in front of you and speak few words on this auspicious occasion. A very happy Independence Day. As you all know, the nation is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. On this day, in 1947, as India transitioned into an independent nation, the first Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru, addressed the nation and unfurled Indian tricolour flag at the Red Fort. Since then, we have continued this tradition. On this day, we celebrate our country's pride, virtues, cultural richness, diversity and history, and pay homage to the sacrifices made by the freedom fighters. Dear students, you are the nation's future citizens. You have to protect our virtues and traditions. This year, the theme of the celebration is Nation First, Always First. Prime Minister would be addressing the nation from the Red Fort. The Olympians who won medals at the Tokyo Olympics would be the special invitees for the event. Today, the entire country is proud of our players. They won 32 medals. So, dear students, whichever field that you choose, always strive for excellence and make your parents and country proud. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Present here and a happy Independence Day. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this year's Independence Day celebration. On behalf of New Cambridge International Public School and Anupama English School, I would like to thank our Honorable Secretary of Universal Education Society and Joint Secretary of Gayatri Education Society, Shri Yogesh Nagarajachar, for making this occasion very special and meaningful. Thank you, sir, for being with us. I thank our beloved principal, Mrs. Mahalakshmi Madam. Thank you, Madam, for your great support. And I thank our well-wisher and advisor, Mrs. Jayashree Madam. Thank you, Madam. My heartfelt thanks to Vice Principal, Mrs. Hemalata Madam, and Headmistress of Anupama English School, Mrs. Veena Madam. I render my gratitude to all the teaching and non-teaching staff of New Cambridge International Public School and Anupama English School. I also render my thanks to the students of New Cambridge International Public School and Anupama English School. Thank you one and all. Once again, a happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Long years ago, we made a trust with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not wholly or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes but rarely in history, when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends, and when the soul of a nation, long suppressed, finds utterance. It is fitting at this solemn moment we take the pledge of dedication to the service of India and her people and to the still larger cause of humanity.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बह के सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा.
At the dawn of history, India started on an unending quest, and reckless centuries are filled with the striving and grandeur of her success and failures. Through good and ill fortune alike, she has never lost sight of that quest, forgotten the ideals which gave her strength.
तेरा सुर मिले मेरे सुर दे नाल मिलके बने एक नवा सुरताल मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा.
The future is not one of ease or resting, but of incessant striving, so that we may fulfill the pledges we have so often taken, and one we shall take today.
सुर का दरिया बह के सागर में मिले
बदला रूप लखे
बरसन होले होले.
The people of
நம் இசை నన్నదనిగే నిన్నదనియా నా స్వరము నీ స్వరము సంగమమై మన స్వరంగా అవతరి.
Rejoice in their freedom even through clouds surround us, and many of people are sorrow stricken and difficult problems encompass us.
This day, our first thoughts go to the architect of this freedom, the father of our nation, who embodying the old spirit of India, held aloft the torch of freedom and lightened up the darkness. সৃষ্টি করু ওই কোশু সৃষ্টি হোক ওই কোতান.
Should never leave our thoughts of freedom to be blown out. However, the wind or storm that tempts our next.
We have hard work ahead. There is no resting for any one of us till we redeem our pledge in full, till we make all the people of India what destiny.
To the nations and peoples of the world, we send greetings and pledge ourselves to cooperate with them in furthering peace, freedom and democracy. And to India, our much loved motherland, the ancient, the eternal and ever new, we pay our reverent homage and we bind ourselves afresh to her services.